one too.
Look at this, guys.
Isn't that gorgeous?
A barbecue. Look at that. Isn't it so yum? Look guys, naglalakad kami dito guys. Papunta sa bahay. Okay, my son. Medyo malamig-lamig konti. Dad, over there. Dad is over there, driving another tractor.
Another tractor?
Mm-hmm. Say hi, Yara.
Hi! Hi! I'm gonna go far away and invisible. Ready?
Look at that. I think these ones here are done. What do you think?
Yeah, that one is kinda done.
It's pork, but I think this one's done too.
Look at this, guys.
Isn't that
A
gorgeous?
barbecue. Look at that. Isn't it so
smell it.
yum? I smell it.
through here.
Hope you smell it. Hope you smell through it, guys. It smells so good. Isn't it? Look at that.
Not bad for Mother's Day in Canada.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so
This is a yummy treat.
beef kebabs, pork kebabs, and chicken kebabs.
Wow. Look at that, guys. And this lady right here, a beautiful lady, make
Hello.
it. Yeah, she is my stepdaughter.
Hey, Mama.
Hi,
That's
daughter.